The computers we use today have become more powerful through the miniaturization of semiconductors. However, the progress driven by Moore's law is approaching its limits, making further performance improvements harder to achieve. At the same time, many of the challenges facing society require enormous computational power and are difficult to solve even with today's most advanced supercomputers. To tackle these issues, Fujitsu is rising to the challenge of developing a groundbreaking quantum computer. Classical computers, in principle, use bits that represent a single value of either 0 or 1. Quantum computers, on the other hand, use what are called qubits, which can represent both 0 and 1 at the same time. This is a conceptual diagram of a qubit. When the arrow is pointing up, it represents 0. And when it's pointing down, it represents 1. However, a qubit can be in a state where the arrow is pointing in a tilted direction. When it is measured in such a state, 0 is observed 80% of the time, and 1 is observed 20% of the time. In this state, 0 is observed 30%, and 1 is observed 70% of the time. Since qubits can represent both 0 and 1 at the same time, adding more qubits increases the amount of information that can be handled exponentially, compared with classical bits. With 2 qubits, 2 to the second power is 4. The capacity increases by 4 times. 4 qubits is 2 to the fourth power. That's 16 times. 10 qubits is about 1,000 times, and 30 qubits can handle roughly 1 billion times the amount of information. Moreover, qubits also have wave-like properties. By utilizing wave interference, it is possible to obtain results. Therefore, quantum computers with large numbers of qubits are expected to solve problems that have so far been impossible for classical computers. By combining quantum computers with supercomputers through hybrid computing, we can broaden the possibilities of advanced computation, including AI. This is expected to unlock new approaches to long-standing challenges in fields such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. We remain committed to tackling complex social issues, promoting digital transformation across society.